Hello everyone, today let's learn how to get Santa hat filter in Snapchat application. To get started, open up the Snapchat application and then simply tap on the emoji icon at the right side here, and then you should tap on Explore at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the search bar here and type Santa, and you'll be able to see all this filter with Santa. So basically you should tap on any of filter and use it. For example, this one.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.